Welcome to Espresso Italia Online. I'm Sean, the resident Kiwi, surrounded by Italians. The great thing about working with Italians is you do develop a love for fine coffee. My favourite is the Barista, which is a sweet chocolatey blend of 80% Arabica, 20% Robusta beans. This coffee was made in this machine here, which is one of Espresso Italia's fine selection of pre-loved coffee machines. Having many in stock, Espresso Italia often accept machines as trade-ins, or they on-sell ex-demonstration machines. All of the pre-loved machines at Espresso Italia come with a 3-month parts-only warranty and are fully serviced before being resold to some lucky customer. So if you are looking at upgrading your machine, or you're looking at buying, and many of these machines were worth several $1,000s when new, and are looking at upgrading to a budget, do consider one of the fine pre-loved machines at Espresso Italia online, www.espressoitalia.com.au.